So this slow motion topic is connected with the optical illusion. Let's see that how I'm going to connect that slow motion movement with the optical illusion. Hello everyone. First of all, those who are new, please subscribe and like my channel. Okay. And today's topic will be slow motion. Okay. So we are going to make this slow motion art. For making this, we need to know that how to make the body posture. Okay. So the body posture will be like this, like running. Okay. Running body posture. So let's see how to make with simple tricks or techniques. Let's start. We'll start with the face first. Okay. So for face, you need to just draw an oval shape for face. Okay, so here is your oval. Whatever you are drawing, you need to use light pressure. Okay, so this is your face. Now from this face you will take out neck according to the body posture. If it is moving forward, so you need to make it little slant and little curvy. If it is moving this side, you need to make little slant and little curvy. If it is straight, so it will come straight and curvy. Okay, now we have to make till pelvis. Okay, means till hip. So you can measure like this. You will keep your hand here, means two fingers. Oh sorry, measure this face. So your body till pelvis will come 3 times than your face. Okay, so 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. Okay, you can mark here, and here you have to make a circle also. Okay, with light pressure, and the body is a slant, right? It is moving forward, so it will come slant only. So here you will make circle. This part will be your hip. We are going to connect legs and upper body part here only. Okay, so from here, you know, your chest shape comes little bit like this. You can join it like this. Okay, you can give shape like this. You need to give a shape. First we are just doing outline and doing the rough work. Okay, now from here you will go like this. Okay, back is little straight, is always little straight. We can go like this, or later on we can give the shape to from the hip side only. Okay, or from the pelvis. Now we'll make hand. For making hand, we need to make a circle here. This will be this is shoulder. Okay, hand is going to connect here only. So you need to measure like this. Your hand comes till waist. Okay, so you can keep your fingers like this and then do it like this. If your hand is moving on back side, so you will do it like this, because why? Because your elbow will come till here. Okay, so you need to do it like this. So this is my elbow, it is coming here. Okay, I need to just make two lines like this. Okay, so shoulder, this upper part hand is done. Now I have to make this part. Okay, so for making this part, again same measurement you will take. Okay, you can join like this. Okay, so this is your hand. Now we need to make hand shape only. Okay, so this is your hand. This will be your finger and thumb moving like this. Obviously the hand will come like this only. Okay, then back side hand is easy. You have to just take out two lines like this. Okay, okay, according to the idea only. So done. Now we are going to make leg. So for leg also, you need to measure this body part. Okay, from this head to the pelvis. Okay, so your knee is half to your body. Okay, so you need to do it like this. So you have to do mind makeup also, that your leg is like this. If it is moving, you can just see any moving running body posture. Okay, it moves like this only. So you can mark here, and here you have to make a small circle. Okay, so this small circle we are going to connect like this. Okay, connect like this, connect like this. Okay, so this is your thigh. Till thigh we have made. Now same length we will make for the leg part. Okay, So here it will come till here, so you need to draw like this, and here there is a curve, so you can draw like this, okay, with a curve. Done. Now we have to make foot is so simple, you can just draw like this. Okay, so this foot size will be equal to your head size. If it is going extra, it means you are making too long. Okay, you need to make according to the head size only. Okay, now come to the other part, means other leg. So this leg is on the back side. Okay, so you will take the measurement of your first knee only and keep it here and do it like this. Okay, keep it here, do it like this. So leg is on back side, your knee will be here. Okay, knee will be here. So you have to just connect it now. You have to just connect it now. Okay, now connection is done. Now we have to make the down leg. Again it will come equal to thigh only. Mark here, draw a line, go with a nice curve. Now make this foot. So for foot, again you have to just take the measurement of your leg for a face. Keep it here, so it will come till here. Okay, so this is done. Just need to give outline only, outline to the body. Okay, okay, so here your outline is done. Now you have to erase all the rest of the things like these circle extra lines, and then we need to cut it. Okay, so we have done the outline and cutting also. Now for the coloring and to see the illusion part, you need to click on the next video. Okay, thank you, bye.